Well, this is certainly a surprise hunt, and I'm so glad I got the chance to edit this. Golden Boy and my friend Jason, who you guys have never seen, but eventually you will see in a video, they went out snow goose hunting, but I didn't go. But it's Aiden and Jason, and Jason's friend, whose also name is Elliot. So if you hear them saying Elliot, it's Jason's friend. And so let's roll this. They kick butt on this hunt, so check it out. It's a good one.
See if I can get you to have some fun here.
Old Fummelmit strikes again. The catchphrase is, now you're thinking like Dan. Oh, there he is!
Most people don't throw these in a fire. They don't do that.
There goes a responsible young golden boy with a little golden stash. That's how you do it.
To start the season!
Get him.
Well, we were snow goose hunting this morning. We got a good south wind, and we're setting out a huge spread today. It's me and 5 other guys, and my buddy Jason invited me out to hunt with him. So we got about 1,800 decoys, I think. So we're gonna set a massive spread, and it should be awesome. Biggest spread I've ever set up. Been a part of setting up. 6:05. Heard our first snows of the day. We are basically ready to roll. Here our first snow, everybody's running into position.
I'm ready, hang on. Go ahead, you wanna go stand?
Yeah! Nice! That was sweet, guys. We killed all 5 of those.
Man, those are some stupid. Kill him!
Nice work! Yeah, some of these nice.
We get?
I don't know, like 4 or 5 at least. I saw drop, I don't know, maybe more. Picking up birds. It's like 10 yards. That was so close, that was crazy. Nice. It's the 1,800 decoys.
Go get him, man, go get him. Yeah. He's still coming back. Abby's gonna get him before he lands.
Yeah.
Get him, Ab!
Thank you. That was so much work. There's like 8 groups in the air right now. We got some super close. Oh, wait. Catch him, catch him. It was like a foot above your face. I don't know if I got that.
It was just right.
It was right there. I killed the one that was right here.
Right there. Man, wasn't that sweet?
That was sweet.
We've had some awesome groups, man. And they've come, these set up right where we needed them.
Yeah. Well, 7:20, we got 23 geese so far, so it's a pretty successful morning. We're pretty happy with what's going down, and we're getting them feet down in the decoy, so it's pretty sweet.
Good job. Come here, come. Stay. Kill him, guys. Get up, kill him. Way to go, fellas! Woohoo! Good job, fellas. Woo! Some geese. Good job, Abby. Come. Hey, what? Come here, get it. Bring it. Bring it here, girl. Bring it. Bring it. Oh, it's got double band. A double band.
Back down.
Look at that.
That is
double
crazy.
band. It looks old.
Yeah, it does look old.
Look at it. Look at it. It's an old bird. Look at how how sharp it is. That bird's probably, who knows?
10. I mean, they get pretty old, can't they? Like 10, 12 years?
Sweet.
That's crazy.
So, that's the first time I've never seen a double band before. That's sweet.
I've never either.
A single band.
But we got 29. We just shot a double band. And this day is crazy. Crazy awesome, dude. We've got a huge group right now we're looking at, so.
Got these centered up on the video if you guys want to kill them. Hang on. Let them go. We're letting them go. Stay on it. Stay. We're going to take these. Yeah. They're going to swing to the left. Kill him. Good job, guys.
Tell me just say yawn.
Not yet. Here we go, here we go. I got him on video. Should we shoot him? Go, go. Good shot.
Nice work.
He's dead.
Well, we think we're close to 50 birds. We've got quite a number. Just hanging out with the boys.
been in the dirt. Decoys. Got some higher decoys where we're sitting, and then the kills come probably right in front of us.